Yo, what's up? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I have a sore throat again. This is getting out of hand, but this is Mike's 99 Ford F250, continuing on with mega oversized truck week. Got this full-size bad boy Super Duty in here, the little diesel V8, but it is a custom headlight build that I did. And let me tell you, I'm pretty stoked on this one. Because it's a 99 and it's Super Duty and it is a work truck. I mean, this thing is a work truck. I wanted to try and keep true to the traditional heritage of the vintage classic styling and do a headlight build in, this is referred to as the 3-piece styled housing. So these are the original housings, which are absolutely terrible. Obviously, they're all crazed and faded on the outside. And he was, of course, running some garbage LED bulbs in them, which we can't have. And you can see the factory OEM cheese slice that is there as the reflector. And I opted for this brand new aftermarket pair that is a full chrome interior, no cheese slice in there, but I do like amber bulbs inside of a clear housing, so I think it looks a lot better, but still stays true to the age of this vehicle. Now, a lot of people on the 99s are actually upgrading to the newer styled one-piece housing. That one-piece housing, ironically, is one of the first headlight builds I did way back early on in my career, so that was a big motivation for me to not want to use that housing, and I really am proud of myself for sticking with this style because I think it works really well with this truck. I utilized a Morimoto MD2S projector, running a Morimoto 50-watt HID system, and these are the Bullet 2.0 shrouds, which have little acrylic inserts in them that light up once the headlight comes on. This is what it looks like with the parking lights on, so again, I don't need an amber reflector as long as I've got amber bulbs, and I think amber bulbs in a chrome reflector look real cool. Okay, and now I've got these bad boys turned on, and you can see the maximum light output, the brilliance. This is a pure white output, and you can see those little acrylic inserts on that Bullet 2.0 shroud that's letting some of the spillover light out. I love a chrome on chrome on chrome build. I don't do many of them, but I think it does have a real classy look to it. It's very traditional, and the output on this, as you would expect, is phenomenal. It's not often that I get to show off beam output patterns here in the shop, so I want to point out that like right here is the bulk of the light output, which is exactly where you want it, which is underneath that step. And this side has a little bit of a slope upwards, which we much prefer a slope upwards over a slope downwards. And what's most important is that this side right here remains flat or slopes slightly downwards. All that's left for me to do is take the truck out and aim them as far as height elevation, and then we will be good. And that color flicker along the very edge can tell you the quality of the cutoff shield that's being used on the product. And check out this high beam. It's gonna totally light up all of the night. Super happy. That's it real quick. It's a pure performance build for this pure performance work truck. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. So if you have any questions about how much this costs, of course, check that out. If you're interested in a build for yourself, also check out that video description. There's going to be a link to my website. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form that is located on my website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you also have a wonderful evening or daytime, morning, whatever time it is when you're watching this. Oh, and I hope the next time I talk to you, I'm gonna have my throat not totally hurting. Anyways, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. See ya!